We've gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive look at the Otamatone Japanese electronic musical instrument. If you own this quirky synthesizer, let us know your thoughts in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Now, let's dive into what people love and dislike about this unique product. The Otamatone is one of Japan's most beloved musical instruments, combining a portable design with a whimsical aesthetic. It's marketed as a fun and easy-to-play synthesizer toy that appeals to kids, teens, and adults alike. With its touch-sensitive stem that controls pitch and squeezable cheeks for vibrato effects, it offers a playful way to create music. Users appreciate its lightweight design, making it ideal for travel or outdoor gatherings like camping trips. Many reviews highlight how this instrument sparks creativity and laughter during family or friend get-togethers. However, opinions on its usability and performance vary widely. One of the most common praises is its ability to entertain children and adults with its amusing sounds and interactive features. Parents often mention that their kids love experimenting with the different pitches and tones, keeping them engaged for hours. Some even describe it as an excellent gift for music enthusiasts or anyone who enjoys quirky gadgets. On the flip side, some users find the Otamatone challenging to play effectively, especially for beginners unfamiliar with synthesizers or electronic instruments. While it's advertised as easy to use, mastering its controls can take some practice. Another frequent comment is about its sound quality. While many enjoy its unique tones,